Welcome to Science with
Ayanna and Zuri.
We have this, the Magic School Bus rides again, exploring bugs, insects, and other creatures. Science Kit.
I got it from my birthday, and it was a ladybug theme. I loved it.
For today's experiment, we're going to see what happens if you add vinegar to a shell.
We have this shell, kind of looks like an eyeball, and then we have vinegar.
Our hypothesis is that when we put the snail shell in vinegar, it will start bubbling.
Because when the snail shell is made of calcium carbonate, and when calcium carbonate gets into vinegar, it starts bubbling.
Zuri, add our hypothesis to the lab sheet.
First, you add vinegar to cup A.
Now we add the snail shell. Push it in a little. Get in there, snail shell. Will it start bubbling?
And then observe what happens.
Observe! I can see some bubbles. The snail shell is getting bubbly.
It's working! It's working!
Our hypothesis was right.
It's working! It's working! It's working!
It's bubbling.
It's working. Ayanna, what are you doing?
Wow, it's all the way in the water.
Whoa! Wait a minute, there's still some out.
Yeah, there is, but most of it's in the water. I mean, look, the bubbles are even going up a little.
And then it just goes into water. And the bubbles pop once they get to there. Or it's evaporating and we can't see it.
Can you imagine a snail in there right now?
Well, I know, I was going to say. And then it would... Ah! Our hypothesis was correct.
The snail shell start bubbling. All right. When you put a snail shell in. Okay, I just finished writing the conclusion. And the conclusion is when you put a snail shell in vinegar, it will start bubbling because the snail shell is made out of calcium carbonate. It will start bubbling because the snail shell is made out of it. And when vinegar and calcium carbonate are together, it starts bubbling. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash that like button, hit that bell, and
Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at science.ayanna.zuri.